Hi everybody! Hi everybody, this is Agnes from No Sediment, and today we're going to talk about Syrah. Shiraz? Syrah grape variety. To be honest, I don't think we give enough credit to this grape variety. It is quite easy to fall in love with it, especially if you are just starting your wine journey. I mean, it has a good acidity that it never tastes dull or plain, but it is also never piercingly high or mouth-watering. Syrah tends to have a lot of tannins, but they are usually ripe and soft, even if the wine is young and fresh. Tannins of Syrah almost never taste harsh or grippy or aggressive. But it is also very appealing to experienced wine lovers because Syrah grape variety is capable of producing wines of exceptional complexity and they can age. While Syrah is considered an international grape variety, and it is in fact planted almost in every major winemaking country, it is closely associated with two winemaking countries, France and Australia. In France, Syrah is the ruler of northern Rhône, and it is responsible for wines such as Côte-Rôtie, Hermitage, as well as Creuse Hermitage and Saint-Joseph. It can be found in southern Rhône as well, but here it mostly plays a role of a blending partner. It is widely used in different red blends around the world, one of the most popular being GSM, and it stands for Grenache, Syrah, Mourvèdre. In Australia, its principal home is considered Barossa Valley, where winemakers are proud of their old Shiraz wines that are producing exceptionally high quality wines. Here as well, Shiraz is often blended with different grape varieties, not only within the classical GSM blend, but also with white grape varieties and Cabernet Sauvignon. This grape variety tends to be very deeply colored and it will preserve its purple color for quite a long time. It tends to make full-bodied red wines, therefore it is often blended with white grape varieties such as Viognier, Roussanne and Marsanne. Shiraz or Syrah is fermented with white grape varieties to make it lighter on the body and maybe add some floral notes on the nose. However, Syrah can be very nice on its own, showing inviting aromas of ripe dark berries such as blackberries, blueberries, and plums. After Syrah will also show notes of black pepper, mint or eucalyptus, dark chocolate, and leather. With age, Syrah tends to develop some notes of smoked meat, bacon, or tobacco. For those of you out there who love good barbecue, smoked meats, and game, Syrah will be the grape variety for you. It is amazing and pairs very well with these kind of foods. I hope you liked this video. If you are into Syrah or Shiraz grape variety, you might also like Primitivo or Zinfandel grape variety, so make sure to watch my other video on Primitivo.